Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. It is officially March 11th. Crazy. This year is flying by. I don't know if it's because I'm loving what we're doing or if the year's just moving. One of the two. Mr. G, Mr. Carmona, we're going to get dialed here. We're going to make some money today. Some smonnies. We need some smonnies today. Who traded CPI today? Did anyone trade CPI today?
I did some trading. I ended up losing in most of my accounts, but in about 3 of them I was up. So thank God I'm rotating.
Thank God you rotate. Yes, sir. Morning, Tim. Morning, Smooth. Sorry you lost your Lucid trading the news. That's why I didn't trade it, to be honest. I did not want to risk my accounts. Good morning, Steve.
Hey, good morning. When was the news and when's the upcoming news?
So we had this CPI this morning, and a lot of people gamble on the CPI. Can't call it trading. It's more like a gamble. Everyone's trying to get it done quick. So I did not partake.
On a positive note, I got one of my Lucid funded. So
hey, let's go, Jose. Awesome,
go.
Bro. Morning, G. I gotta take some Zyrtex after the stream because your boy, this pollen, boy, this Florida pollen.
You don't have like a pollinator thing, and it's like it's the highest it's been. It's like it's at 12. It's like,
yeah.
Whoa.
I have like the little air filters in the house.
Yeah.
But I woke up, my eyes were slightly itchy. I'm like, oh boy, I know what this is. All right, I'll give 2 more minutes and then I'll start doing the breakdown today. So I can say what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at, and we'll just go from there.
What you're looking at is a bull flag. Hopefully, potentially, that'll be the day.
Hey, if it wants to repeat itself, we won't complain. Let me jump on, make sure the audio on the YouTube is sounding somewhat crispy.
Listen, crispy.
Yeah, we need some Krispy Kreme. Sounds like I need to pull the music down just a tad. Just
Testing.
Sound the alarm is this motherfucking mic on.
all right, I think we're dialed now.
You know you are.
Oh yeah, we're dialed. And the voices from the market makers coming through real crispy. Extra crispy. All right, let's see what we got here. All righty. Good evening, Ule. Good morning, Rob. What's up, Yaz? All righty. Looking at the market today. What I'm looking for, what I'm not looking for. One, I'm looking for a flag with momentum. Believe it or not.
I would like to see a flag.
Right now, we're sitting here right at the close from yesterday, 25.10. 25.10 was the close from yesterday. We have a pivot point above us, sitting at 25.1925. 25.1925. We got the overnight low down there, 895.75. 895.75. with the pivot below that, 821.25. 821.25 for the pivot to the downside. Let's check out the overnight high. Overnight high was 12475. 12475. We did have that news candle at 8:30. It popped it all the way up there to 25,058. 25,058. And then the bear stepped in. It's looking like the bear stepped in there. Pushed it back down. So let's just be careful today. If you traded CPI, sorry you did that. And we're going to wait for our moves and execute. I'm trading today 6 funded accounts. Not copy trading, simply rotating. And then I'll trade another eval once I'm done trading the 6 funded.
You accidentally trade like 3 accounts of you. Oops. Your face when you did that was like almost like that guy from Home Alone. You're like, whoa.
Well, that was an honest, like, oh, wait, did I just accidentally copy trade these accounts without looking?
I mean, I know you didn't put your hands on your cheeks like that, but you almost could have, theoretically.
Well, thankfully it worked in my favor. I was not copied, but if I was, I would only need like $100 on one account to get it funded. But if you don't think you're going to trade and you're already saying that, sir, I suggest just walk away, fam. Don't even watch the stream a day. Come back for the traders hangout.
If you watch the stream, you want to trade it.
Exactly. We got 4 more minutes. Well, less than 4 minutes now for market open. Let's look for our A+ setups today. Base hitting. That's how we get payouts. I'm shooting for 20 grand this month in payouts. 20 grand this month in payouts. So that's what I'm shooting for. I literally have 2 more weeks after this week, or give or take, to be able to get it. That's achievable. Because I need that 20 grand so I could drop 13 of it on my villa in Portugal. I can already do the villa, but all my travel stuff, I'm really trying to just use my trading money for the travel so I can stay traveling paid for it. Trading paid for, yeah. I need some monies. I want BP to jump in here because I know he was going to be full porting that CPI. I want to see how he did.
When did the CPI come out?
8:30.
Oh, today?
Yep.
So you're going to like...
The market went up, though. The market went up.
It did, but it came right back down.
Did that huge spike. That
Yep.
wiped a lot of people. Hey, so is it that Forex whatever thing site? I found it once. Where you're looking at the information.
For the news?
Yeah, because it used to be so convenient. It was like right on the thing, but
It's in the journal now again.
I guess I don't have any active stuff over there. So.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, Forex Factory. You can see the red folder news and yellow folder. That's one a lot of traders use because it pretty much does everything for every country since it's the Forex base. Oh, Nellies. So we did a slight little bull flag on the 2 minute. and don't know how I feel about it because we got market open, getting ready to come. We do have some selling pressure on that wick.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Mitch.
How's everybody doing?
All right.
What, baby? No. I said good morning, Mitch, and she's like, huh?
Market's open.
There's market open off that bull flag. All right, we overtook that news candle already. Oh, Nelly's. Market said, hold my beer. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Hold your sparkling water.
Was anybody on the market for that CPI report earlier?
Oh, you missed the party. Everybody was talking about it.
I was not because I don't gamble.
Mr. Chapo lost account, but he's okay. He's coming back strong. I believe in him.
Yep.
I mean, I don't gamble either, but...
Oh, listen, I saw you in Vegas last week. I don't want to hear it.
Well, I did put 780 on the account for that.
Nice.
In that CPI report. It did read 1400. I was like pushing the X button, but it registered 780. I was like, damn.
That's how fast the market was moving.
Oh, yeah.
Facts.
That's how fast the market was moving.
But
I was tempted last night to jump on for CPI today, but I'm like, I'm honestly not because I'm back in my rhythm. I would say I'm like, I'm not trying to mess that up.
Hey, smart move.
And Duane, I did sign in, and even though I don't have an active account, I could see it, so I can just
Okay.
check it, and that's sure they want me to come back.
Baby,
Spend some
come
more
back.
money.
That's what Trade saying.
Like, come pay it.
We miss you. Well, we missed your money.
Oh yeah, they don't miss jack shit. They put like my account $6,000 down on an eval, and I could still trade it. And I asked them what's up, and after a week and a half, they closed the ticket, and then they opened it, and they were talking about something else. And I'm just like, you know what, you guys, I don't trust you. So it's like I wouldn't even sell you something on Facebook Marketplace. You know what I mean?
That's serious because Facebook Marketplace has some interesting characters on it.
I know. I was just kidding. Actually, on that, there's been so many times where something's come up in the house, and my wife's like, "You want to sell it?" And I'm like, "I don't want to deal with fucking. Even if it's a good transaction, everybody thinks they're like a professional
Negotiator.
Yeah, exactly. Like, 50. I'll give you 15. I saw one. It's like, it's not worth it. So like a lot of times we just donate it to like a thrift, or if we can give it to a friend.
Yeah.
I don't want to deal with it. It's to get that money. Because I had a bunch of paint that was like in one of the storage buildings, and I just put it out there, and I said it's free on the curb, and people were even like fucking getting angry over that. Like, can you hold it for me? I'm like, no, it's out there.
Yeah, if you get it, you get it. If not,
first come, first serve.
Yep.
Yeah, and so I was just like, I'll just throw it. It's like the landfills need business too.
Yep. That was my girl yesterday. I was working on some proposals for one of the businesses, and she's like, "Oh, go see if this is still there." It was this couch. Mind you, we don't need a couch. I'm assuming she want to put in our rental property, but I'm like, I'll see if I can get over there after I'm done working. Like.
And then half the time, there's one time I wanted to buy a boat, so I borrowed like an Escalade back in the day, and it was like drove down there, and it was in Claremont, so it was like a decent drive, and then it looked like the boat, like the pictures on the boat were taken like 2 presidents ago, probably like 10, 12 years. I mean, it would like look all beautiful and shiny, and you get there and it's like patina and like this missing hat, and it's like,
Yeah.
So there's that too. So it's like,
Smooth. It would be your speakers, fam. I just checked. They're sounding crystal clear. No echo, no reverb. They dialed.
Let's go.
I don't know what I did, but it worked.
Don't touch it.
yeah, don't even look at it. Don't point.
Don't point. I am excited though, because once I finish some work for one of my companies, I'm gonna get back to editing the psychology video.
Let's go.
And I'm not gonna lie, your boy's extremely excited to get it pushed out to y'all, because I got this Motion VFX subscription yesterday, and it has like transitions and add-ons for like your videos.
Bro,
but
I've been using them for years.
It's drag and drop. That's what I need. Simple. I can't do complicated. I need drag and
the best system in the world. Honest to God, I love their products.
Futures trading card.
Yeah, Motion VFX is like the best in the game, so good choice.
well, I'm like, you know what? Let me see, because I put in my chat GPT. I'm like, listen, Vale. That's her name. Vale, your boy needs some help. I need to be able to spice up these videos, but keeping it simple. She's like, well, the best one you can do is Motion VFX. I'm like, all right, sign me up.
What are you editing on again?
Mac.
No, like the service, like.
Final Cut.
Oh yeah, they got great plugins for that.
Oh, bro, I was using it yesterday. I've never been more amped to edit a video a day in my life, where the drag and drop is what I need.
Yeah, dude,
I don't want to have to like search through different things. I need drag and just drop. Yeah, like, because it shows you what it is clean as well. And that's what got me like ecstatic. I'm like, okay, this is what I needed right here. So next month I'm gonna be working on pushing out one long form video a week, educational content.
That'll be awesome. Yeah, if you ever switch editing platforms, just keep in mind they do make other stuff for those platforms as well, but not everything crosses over in the same. Like
Yeah.
the stuff I was using for Final Cut that they do not have for DaVinci or Premiere. I was like, dang, I need that.
I'm staying with Final Cut, bro. I somewhat know. I barely know how to use it, and I'm not trying to learn anything else.
He likes to pretend, but he's got an eye. That's the main thing.
Listen, the video content from the psychology video came out better than I expected, because it's gloomy out, everything like that, but it was looking crispy. Your boy was looking crispy.
At the end, I hope you film the last shot in the sun wearing the same clothes, so it like subconsciously builds to the crescendo. You laugh. That kind of shit will like fucking put it in the next level.
Well, I'm not a professional editor. I'm not you, Steve. All right, like I'm a simple man trying to get simple videos published. That's it.
Hey, keeping it simple is the name of the game.
100%. Just trying to get to this 945. I'm like, come on, Betsy. We had another small little bull flag print. And we already know what happens, right? When the flags are continuing to print, it makes our job easier for the day. When do you think it's dropping? No clue. It may not drop. We've had 1, 2, 3 bull flags already print. So
I feel like we need to have the consistent flags, because for a while it's just been kind of creeping.
yeah.
You know what I mean? So we're due to have like a flag day.
Oh, we love flag days with the momentum too. Ooh-wee. That's called we printing.
See the flag.
That I do. I can actually see my screens a little bit better because I wear blue light glasses, so I don't strain my eyes
Hey, that's
from looking at. and my other glasses, like they had like a little scratch in them, so I'll be looking at like be blurry in like one piece. I'm like, so I had to get some new ones. So we're dialed today. What's up, Kenneth? Let me shake this computer before it goes to sleep. Haven't touched it, haven't doodled on it, so it's ready to go to bed.
You're like, wake up, wake up.
Is there news for 10? I don't believe so. We had the 10 o'clock, 8:30 news today. So no news. Tomorrow we got 8:30 news as well. Then on Friday, we have 10 o'clock news. Let's see what we get. We have not had a retracement, as Moose would say if he was in here.
Yeah, where is the doctor?
Pretty much, yes. It had a built-in trend line. From me, I'm rough on glasses. It doesn't matter what type of glasses, sunglasses, blue light glasses. I'm just rough on glasses. I toss them. I do everything. So.
Well, you know, it's like once you have to start wearing them for real, then it's like you learn how to respect them, because otherwise, suck.
Just a little bit. Oh, I'm trying to do that. There we go. Oh, come on, Betsy. Looking like another bull flag right here. And there she goes once again. Let's see if we get a little bit more push here. Bear's trying to step in right here. I got 3 more minutes to be able to trade. What's up, Bridalo? Come on, Betsy. What we gonna get? What we gonna get? $5, you were the one that won the desk, right? I know it was Brian that won the desk. Not sure if it was you or not.
What did you do? Did you ship it?
Yeah. And the way I'm doing it, it's the cleanest way for shipping out there. I just simply get it delivered to your house from Amazon. Done.
Well, there you go.
Done.
Yeah, just like no hassle there. Just like boom, there you go.
Yep. I get to see the tracking, everything. I'm like, this is way better than me buying it, getting shipped to my house, then going to FedEx to ship it, or UPS, where they'll charge an arm and a leg for it.
Yeah, and then you're sitting there and you're like, did it go? And it so yeah, just the whole.
All right. So it looks like the high for this range, the high for the 15-minute range may be 11550, 11550, because this is looking like this may be the retracement that I just spoke on like 2 minutes ago that Moose would like. I don't know why it couldn't wait for 946. Craziness. But just looking at today's range as well, is pretty small. Yeah. For all the legacy members in here, that live in Central Florida, or just in Florida in general. I'm looking at having a big legacy meetup next month, where we'll probably be doing something like at Top Golf. I'll rent out a couple bays. We'll grab food, and we're just gonna have a blast, golfing, talking, trading, and just vibing up together.
You could just watch golfing, right?
Huh?
Something about watching golfing.
Yeah. I mean, golf is not my bag, baby.
I'm not good at golfing, but it's always fun to hit the ball,
Hey, man,
even if it doesn't go far.
I'm like, hey,
Now that we're clear to trade, let's see a flag.
I'm waiting.
that time.
Yep, I got 4 seconds. 4 seconds, folks. 4 seconds. Now I'm officially clear to trade. Let's get it. Order filled. Looking like a slight bear flag right here, folks.
Order bill.
Yes and no, right? Because we had that buying wick on that previous candle right there. So I don't just want to jump in just because I see it coming down. But that was a slight little bear flag, but we had that massive wick. So your boy does not want to get caught up in the wick. But for that meetup, I'll actually have the video guy out there with the vlog, everything like that. And it'll be a lot of fun. And then he'll probably get in some of y'all's faces, be like, oh, so how do you feel about legacy? You know, get that recorded.
Yeah, tell us your story.
Exactly. We got that selling wick on the 5. Ooh, Nellies. I would like to see some movement. We got that 21 EMA below us, sitting at 44. That 21 EMA. So if I'm going to target something, I may target that 21 EMA there. I only got 120 on that trade.
I'm trying to figure out because my EMA is showing different, but that's par for the course, I guess.
The 21 is on the, what's it called? 2 minute. On the 2 minute.
Yeah, my 2 minutes is 25:30. 54.
Okay.
So
Let me rotate to the next account. Starting the day with 120 bucks. We simply rotate. I may go back to that account, put like 30 more bucks in so it can count as a trading day, but we'll see.
Let's see what it does when it touches the opening range.
We're coming to the low of this 15-minute range right here. 34.75 is the low of the range. 34.75 is the low of the range. The Rincos are set 8.4. 8.4 for the Rincos. If you're trading on like Trade-Evade or Trading View, literally just put it for 1 second. And I'll give you the same style movement. Somewhat. Travis, 340. Good job, bro. Good job. Make sure you guys are posting your wins, your losses, your payouts, your certificates of getting funded in the community discussion. It's just a great way to show other people your accomplishments and to help motivate each other and keep each other accountable. I'm waiting for this range break because we got the VWAP sitting right above that pivot below us here. The pivot's at 19.25 or 19.25. VWAP sitting right above 19.75. So I feel like that pivot's gonna want to go get touched, possibly. I thought you were still able to post in the community discussion. If not, I may have to add that space for you guys to actually be able to post on. Missed that move, man. Dios mío. Dios mío. There it goes.
It can always repeat itself, Duane.
That it does. That it does. Yeah, patience, patience, patience. Right now, I want to retest the low of that 15-minute range before we continue down.
Yeah, you said like 9 out of 10 times, or like 90% of the time it does.
Yep.
Right?
Yep. So that's why I'm like just waiting for that.
Unless there's a fair value gap on that, like the 2-minute candle, and then you'll be like, I'm on it. But it does have the VWAP is right there.
Yep. No, that's it. All right, cool. Let's get this push up. I want the push up just to the low of that 15-minute range. And then we reject off that low of the range, and then we keep going down. That's what I would like to see. Let's see if we start to reject. Oh, Nellies. Oh, Nellies. All right, pushing through that 21 EMA right there. Strong push right there. Oof. Oof. Right to the middle of the 15-minute range. Alrighty, well. Think I didn't FOMO when we broke out the 15-minute range at first. Just to take it short. That'd be ugly right now, just saying.
You're like waterfall, and it's like, to the moon.
We're right here in the middle of the 15-minute range, somewhere where we don't diddle. Do not diddle in the middle, folks.
Well, the good
You will
thing
get
about
chopped
it
up.
is,
It's not worth it.
since the range is so small, it's like there's not a big middle on it.
Ooh, look at this. This is going to be a big old bear flag. Let's freaking go. Let's see if we get it. Come on, Betsy. Give me the flag. Give me the flag. We got that 21 EMA trying to hold us right now. We got to clear that 21 EMA. Come on. Get through the 21.
It's weird. I hate it when it's different on mine.
My 21 EMA is sitting pretty much 4350 area. 4350 area right there.
Yeah, because it's 32 right now. So I'm going to put a line.
That's on TradingView, not Ninja Trader, folks.
Yeah, usually they're close enough. Like, it's like at least they're on the same street, you know?
Yeah. Let me get some doodles. All right, we're below the 21 now. We're trying to break out. We tried breaking out of the low the 15-minute range. Patiently waiting right now. Patiently waiting. Come on. We got 4 minutes to 10. 4 minutes to 10.
That previous 5-minute candle is just crazy.
Yep. That's why I'm holding and waiting. Holding and waiting. We got some buying pressure down here, but just wait and see if we could get through all of this. Get your head off the mountain. No, Travis. I'm locked in. I'm ready. I'm ready. If we get a move, I'm taking it. We would need to clear that previous candle wick on the 5-minute for me to think anything long. Because we got selling pressure in this area.
And that's pretty darn close to the middle of that previous wick, too. It's like, come on.
Yep.
2 minutes to 10.
Thank you. Thank you, G. This, to me... Oh, let's do it right here. I feel like this is trying... I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But the flag. All right, there's the middle of the 15-minute range right there. We just cleared that previous wick I was talking about as well. So, oh, Nellies. Are we about a rocket ship? We got a minute left for 10 o'clock. I'm not going to take a trade till after 10 now. No reason just to jump in. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get here. High for the 15-minute range is up there at 115. 115.50. It's the high for the 15-minute range. We're above the middle of that 15-minute range. Yep, the middle of the range. So maybe we build a bull flag, take us higher.
10 seconds.
10 seconds for 10. 10 seconds for 10 here. Yep, never been in a trade at 10 o'clock. Been there, done that. Too many times. Let's see if we build a little flaggy flag. Woo! There's 10 o'clock. There's 10 o'clock. Look at that. Alrighty. Oh, we almost went all the way to my first target to the high side here, which is at 156. That's crazy. Look how we just put. Oh, that's crazy. I put the little line there too. And what's up, BP? How did you do? How did you do this morning? We're pumping. We just went straight through my first target. I got a second target up there at 196. 196.25. Mad I'm not on this ride right now. All right, we're below the first target. Are we getting ready to retrace back down to the 15 high? Nice, Travis. Good job. Everyone got smoked. That's not good. Good job, Scucks. Sorry to hear that, BP. But you live to fight another day.
Is he fighting again?
Yeah, Tim, welcome to another level, fam, where we print monies. Well, I missed that move. I'm slightly annoyed that I missed it. But I feel like we'll retest this low, the high of the 15-minute range here. And then potentially continue up because we've been printing bull flags today. But we got, look at that wick. Look at that selling wick, though.
Yeah, you want to jump into that.
Woo! Right? This thing is nasty, right? I love this. Like, this type of movement gets me excited. I don't know why. I can trade movement. I can't trade slow.
On that. A quick 200, man.
Nice, G. Good job, bro. Good job. For all the people on the YouTube streams, make sure you're hitting the like button, the subscribe button, so we can let YouTube know that these streams are adding value, and that's something that other people should tune into as well. I did not get filled. Oh, man, that's annoying.
Awful. That was like latency galore, man.
Man,
You could've
that's
stepped
annoying.
out and like checked your mailbox and came back.
Go ahead, Rob. Good job, bro. Good job.
on, Bessie.
Come on.
Four seconds on a 2-minute candle.
Thank you. I closed that. Ah, that's annoying. I did not get my fill that I originally wanted.
No, I saw it because I
That's
saw
Aggie.
like out of the blue line.
the dreadful blue line. Down here at the middle of this 15-minute range.
No, we don't noodle in the noodle.
We don't diddle in the middle. Have a good one, Smooth. Let's see if the bulls flip this candle here. We like the volatility, but I should have closed out. I was in the green on that one on the last trade I just took, but I wanted a little bit more. I thought we were going to pump. So I got greedy. It happens to me too, boys. We got some selling pressure down here. Come on, Betsy.
Hey, what's your 21 EMA at right now, if you don't mind me asking?
We're saying it's right underneath the middle of this 15-minute range, so like pretty much 74, 75 area.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Just to base it right there. Let's rotate to the next one. I'm not going to be greedy today. Just quick little hits and jumping out. Travis, you got it, bro. You got it. All right, we just lost that 21 EMA in the middle of that 15-minute range there. We got the VWAP below us. I would like to see a flag. Your boy would like to see a flag at this point. I got cooked in two today on two of these trades. I'm annoyed. I didn't blow anything, but I mean, woo-saw. Didn't get the move I wanted again. Yeah, I'm waiting right now. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes before taking another trade.
Well, that 5-minute is shaping up to be one hell of a. Oh wait, I'm looking at the 60-minute. Hang on. All right. The 60-minute is looking like the hell of a bull flag.
Okay. That 5-minute, if we keep pushing, that's going to give us a bull flag there, but we'll see what we get. Real tight right where we're currently sitting at. Yes and no. I really don't like looking at the 1 minute often because it makes me want to jump in more. Tap my yellow line here on the 2-minute chart.
Dwayne would like to see momentum.
That I would. That I would.
I stay on the 15-minute, man, just so I don't get faked out or anything. Instead of me be going on looking on that 1 minute, the 1 minute chart like into your trade, I stay on the 15.
I was on the 60. I was doing some like look at the market moves, and I was like, oh my god. But yeah, 15 is nice.
Let me just lock that in. Just lock that 380 in right there. I was getting ready to get greedy. I caught myself. I felt myself getting ready to be greedy. So I just locked in that 380. I can like feel myself getting ready to tell myself, just hold it, just wait longer. Nah. If it's green, just take it. We got a lot of buying pressure down here. We do have buying pressure. Oh, let me move that. We are sitting in the middle of the 15-minute range. Woo. These wicks right now and these candles are crazy.
I would say so.
Honestly, I need to take those off. I think those were originally trend lines or something like that, but I never use them.
Where do you see trend lines?
No, on my Rincos,
Okay.
the lines will pop
Gotcha.
up sometimes. We're in the middle of this range where I know I should not trade. So let me woo-saw, look away.
Look away.
I will put more music on in a second. I'm currently in a trade.
focus is real.
Always, it's always real. We're just consolidating right now, getting real tight.
Yeah, I think this market from all the wicks, all the buying wicks, I think is gonna shoot up. But I'm no pro.
Neither am I, bro. Neither am I.
What you looking for, a short or a long?
I'm in for a long. It pulled back on me right when I jumped in.
If Johan was here, he'll tell you to hold it for 15 minutes and eventually it'll go up.
Yeah, no, I'm not Johan.
And like Duane will be like ripping the wall off the side of the house.
I'm getting ready to close this. Ah, what a day. What a day. Just pissing myself off today.
Yeah, I'm staying away from trading my funded account until I see a nice, smooth market. This is too choppy for my funded.
Yeah, I'm just looking at like all the even the lower time frames, and it's just everything has a wick on both sides. So
Mark died, Carmona. Mark died.
Well, he's smarter than me today. I'll tell you that. I got chopped up in 3 accounts today.
I'm in green in all of mine, but it's not like I'm excited about the level of green. But it's just like it's kind of like the pool needs to be cleaned before I jump back in.
I like that one.
Well, it's like, you go to that hotel and it just like, it's like, man, they need to like, they need to like skim it out before I jump in there.
I'm only smart because I lost 3 of my evals today.
That's not fun.
That in the chat, but I'm going to hold myself accountable.
Good job, bro. Good job. Have a good workout, Rob.
Hey, your screen is still black.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Wait, were you copy trading this morning or just singles?
Just singles. Just singles. The market was not clean enough for me to want a copy trade. I'll tell you that. But that's just me. That's just me. It's only 10:30. I feel like this market's been Moving a little bit faster than that. Jesus.
Dwayne's like, man, it feels like it's like 3 in the afternoon.
I feel like I got work today, boys. I feel like I got work today.
Well, what did the Duane of old say? Remember that guy? He said, just breathe and then trust the system.
No, that he would. That he would.
Is he in here today?
I don't think so. I think he left.
Who left? Who left?
No, we're messing around, G. No one left. No one left.
I was talking about the Duane of old, like what he would say, like, and I asked him if he was here, and he said he left.
This market.
Hey, today it could be all about the trades you don't take. You know what I mean?
I think so.
Because it's doing that stuff where it's kind of like, it's like enticing, and then it just gets like crazy.
Let me disconnect, then reconnect. Because I want to still trade, but I'm not touching my funded accounts anymore a day. So I did just get a Lucid Select account. We'll do the Lucid first. Yeah. Today's been a rough one for a lot of us. Hey, go ahead, Travis. Good job, bro. We did drop below my first target to the low side. First target to the low side was sitting here at 99425. 99425. Let's see if we could build us a little flag here, take us lower. All right, let's see if we could get us a little flag. Look at that buying pressure on that 5-minute candle. There's the pivot tab. Closed it at 300, got 150 bucks on that. We won't talk about that.
On a couple of them that I closed, it just like, it'll say one thing and it'll give you another because it's just moving so choppy.
Yeah.
There was a rule about trading the chop, but I can't quite remember it.
Do not trade the chop. Do not trade the chop. Unless you want to get chopped up. There's the VWAP tab. Yeah, these candles are aggressive right now. Down to the pivot. I'm being greedy today. I don't know why. Your boy's being greedy today. Not proud of it.
But you know it. Yeah, after he closes trade, maybe you could think about it. He's already in another trade.
$954.25. $954.25 is my second target. We're coming down to my yellow line here as well. Let's see if we go through my yellow line with momentum. Yellow line's holding the market up. My yellow line's holding the market up. All right, I'll stop trading this account because, yeah, I'll take the 965. Actually, let me rotate back to that Lucid eval. Well, that's one way for it to rip. Jesus. As soon done. I just blew that brand new eval guy just blew it.
Damn.
Where did that pop even come from? That's crazy. So yes, I blow evals as well, boys. I blow evals as well. Yeah, I'm probably get ready to walk away.
Yeah, I stopped trading my other eval because I blew it. I also didn't have much room for, coming back from it either, but we still got the other one that's live.
Well, eval's been down the brink of getting blown. Like, it's not like you risk those a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Because you're like, I got $400 drawn. Either I'm winning or I'm blowing.
That's exactly what I was thinking. I was like, hey, either I make it or I don't. But either way, the other one's still alive, and that one I just need another 720 if I continue trading today.
Yeah. Yeah, I never thought you blew accounts. Pies, get out of here, bro. I tell y'all I blow accounts. Like,
yes,
what?
He's human, guys. He's human.
Like, I tell y'all when I blow accounts. I did not blow any funded accounts or anything like that, just an eval. So, and that is my own fault, right? Because hindsight's always 20/20, and it's funny. I'm gonna use my situation right now to help you guys grow. So, one of my rules is not to overtrade, right? I was already up in that account $150. I took another trade on. Normally, I'm one and done. On evals and fund is one and done. Where that one I went back to take another trade because I was feeling slightly greedy. I want to add a little bit more to it since it was an eval first day on it. And I ended up blowing it. So for me, what I messed up on, what I did wrong was going back to trade it again. I should have just locked it in, rotated.
Yeah, I'm grateful for you being so honest with this and not just like, posting some B-roll footage of like a fake chart and a Rolls Royce.
In the Rolls Royce.
I mean, hey, if you got a Rolls Royce, you can show me. Them things are nice. If I get it.
I know some of them, like one of them that was out like 20 years ago. Some people got it because I was like working in high-end furniture as a contractor, and boy, that thing was butt ugly. But I guess it was the color on it was kind of.
Hey, just remember, a Rolls Royce is just a glorified BMW. So if you want to save yourself some money, just get you a BMW 7 Series, and you're basically driving a Rolls Royce Ghost for like a third the price.
Yeah, well, I mean, I don't know. I think there's some parts commonality these days, but. So Duane, you're not going to be too hard on yourself after and try to revenge trade once you turn this off, and then.
Oh no, I'm like I'm done. Like
Duane, you're not going to make an Ishmael, are you?
Say that again.
It's just that one account, Ty.
Oh, it was like an inside reference, but it probably goes way too far back.
What was it?
Ishmael,
I didn't hear you.
From the ship, right? From Moby Dick.
Well, yeah, there's part of it, but E-triple-C, baby. No, but it's just like with the market being like it is, I think I'm just gonna wait for tonight's session and just clean up.
No, 100%. Man, you called it today. You said you was being greedy. That was a sign to stop. That's not that was a sign to stop. But I should have checked myself a little bit harder. To be real.
Before you wreck yourself.
That was the last resort before the blow up. That's how it goes for me. Like, oh, I probably should stop.
But you gotta be real with yourself, right? I feel like as traders, some of us lie to ourselves. Where for me, I don't lie to myself. Like I can pinpoint exactly why I blew that eval. I took another trade. When I'm one and done on these accounts. So that part, like for me, it's like, okay, cool. I'm not going to trade anymore today, even though that's a glorious bull flag right there underneath the pivot. But, but it's one of those things where tomorrow I'm gonna come dialed back in, ready to execute. Like I never take the daily session into the next day. Yeah, but you gotta lock the profit in, man. You have to. I know it's so easy to be, oh, I want more, I want more, I want more. But that wanting more ends up making it where you don't get anything. And that's real.
Learn to be content. Is anybody in here Fast and Furious fans?
Yep. I like Fast and Furious.
There's a meet coming up soon. Where's that post? Let me go find it real quick. Of here in Port St. Lucie, Saturday, March 28th. Han is gonna be at that show.
Oh, awesome.
JDM's car show contest, or whatever, but brought on by Fitment Industries and Shift Culture Events.
That's pretty cool.
From 6 p.m. to 10 p.m.
I'm sure that'd be pretty fun. Yes, this is the New York session. Red, everyone's greedy, bro, but you gotta control it. Travis, yeah, so once you pass the eval, you'll activate the funded account. And it's just like trading the eval, but now you can make money from it. Jeez, I haven't had a day like this in forever. Yeah, that's bad. That's bad. I should have cut those way sooner. Yeah, that bull flag was paying that I called out earlier. The joys, the joys. I gotta post this in the community discussion. Why did it shift? That's weird. They do have a monthly if you don't pass your eval in the month. Make sure you use code LWS. Still green for the week so far, but not happy with today's performance whatsoever. I thought, let me check something. Because I have this eval from Tradeify that I thought I blew, but it's still showing my dashboard. Hate when that happens. Let me just put a trade on to see if it actually... it should not work because I thought I blew the account like 2 weeks ago. It's just been on my dashboard. Like, it wasn't removed. Yeah, Lucid always has some good deals as well. Yeah. Then why is this showing? I'm gonna have to get them to remove this. Or actually, I think I could. Let's see. No, allergies, bro. Allergies. Not sick. I got allergies. And they're heavy today. Yeah, I'm not even looking at the markets. Your boy's done. Allergies trying to whoop me. The market trying to whoop me a day. No, no, no. I'm a run. I'm a run. Yes, I recommend the select account. The growth account's good if you want to pass it in one day, but you get more flexibility with the select account. Because I used to trade growth accounts where I switched over now to select. I actually have growth accounts that I could activate, but I canceled the subscriptions on them because I don't want to stay in that. Once you get on one account, you stay in a cycle with it. You know what I'm saying? Where I don't want to be in the cycle with the growth accounts anymore. Oh, 100% Scucks. It's all, listen, losing at trading, you can't avoid it. You have to lose some days in order for you to win. And if you have a solid strategy, you have to trust your strategy to know that's a numbers game. Okay, you had a bad day today. Tomorrow doesn't mean you're going to have a bad day. I think greed hit a lot of people today, including myself. I was feeling kind of greedy. I didn't want to close certain trades when I was in the green. But if I would have saved myself a pretty penny. Let me just get this out the way here. Let me just post my Tradeify stuff in the community discussion. There we go. Just posted that in there. Gotta stay accountable. Gotta stay accountable. Have a good night, Skuggs. Sleep well, brother. Oolay. I didn't know you were in the Zoom. What's up, bro? What was your trades? Took some shorts, took some longs, got chopped up in some accounts, made some money in some accounts. Nice, Red. Yeah, I only trade the Nasdaq. Have a good night, Ulay. Honestly, market makers, I think I'm gonna jump off as well, because the more I look at this, the more I need to walk away.
Word on that.
So I'm gonna be walking away tonight. We got the traders hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. As soon as I get off, I'm gonna handle some stuff for one of my businesses. Then hopefully I get that video finished so I can get it pushed out to y'all, which I need to watch for myself since we're dealing with trading psychology. So I'll see you guys tonight. Be safe in the markets if you're still trading. And I'll catch y'all later. Be blessed, market makers, and have a good one, YouTube.
Have a good one. See you guys.
All right, guys. All right, Travis.